Hey guys, just Jani. Quick tip. If you find this is kind of a pain using a striker, they actually make a little battery operated one. It just takes 2 AA's. Turn it on and it's ready for you. So whenever you light your torch, all you have to do is press down and it'll make a ticking sound where it's striking. Not sure if you can hear. So all you have to do is turn your gas on and you're lit. Super simple. So no need to strike or use 2 hands. You can even, if you don't turn it off too tight, you can even do this one-handed. Turn your gas on, light it.